your heart, what do you feel? Open up your heart, what do you feel? Is it real? Yeah. The Big Bang may be a million years away, oh, but I can't figure out a better time to say, well, hold on. Instead of messing with our future, open up inside. Well, hold on. One day you will have to answer to the children of the sky. Inside you find a deeper love, the kind that only comes from high above. If you ever meet your inner child, don't cry, no, no. Tell them everything is gonna be alright. Children of the sky, alright. Love, don't take no for an answer, no, no. Alright, right here, spread love, everybody.